There's a series of complexities in the 21st century that can't be solved by the process orientation of the 20th century. And that's why the design mindset and why design is so important. The ability to collaborate across disciplines is so important. So I think that, again, I think it comes back to no particular secret, but I think the emphasis that we are placing on different parts of the design process are very different. I personally don't believe, I believe that we're kind of past the era of the superstar designer, and we are in the era of teams and collaboration. That is a difference. You know, in the 20th century, you could have a Paul Rand who single-handedly did certain things. You could have a Ray and Charles Eames, and coming out of that studio, you know, massive numbers of, or you know, some number of iconic things. Our world is a lot more complex. It's a lot more immediately distributed internationally, and I think that puts new demands, and it makes teaming across disciplines, across companies, across ecosystems much more important. So we emphasize that, and I think the designers that we have in our program are learning how to communicate. I believe that they're being instilled with backbones of steel and grit that weren't necessarily required. Now, Elliott's a different case. Elliott created the program, and I think that there is, in that context of his work, I think there is more of a direct lineage between what Elliott did, what a couple of others have done since, Tom Hardy, Lee Green, both of whom were phenomenal IBMers and leaders of the program. And that legacy has been handed to me to, in our case, really rejuvenate, rekindle, and grow that design program, the corporate design program, and essentially try to instill a culture across all of IBM that is independent of the excellent craft of the individual designer.